Hey everyone! If you're like me, you've probably experienced stress in some form, whether it's work pressure, personal challenges, or even just the fast pace of life. The question is, how do we manage it? How do we take control when stress takes over? Well, today I want to introduce you to a powerful, science-backed tool that can help you relieve stress and restore balance, emotional freedom techniques, also known as EFT or tapping. So, what exactly is EFT? In simple terms, it's a technique where you tap on specific acupressure points on your body while focusing on the thoughts or emotions that are causing you stress. It's a combination of ancient Chinese medicine and modern psychology, working together to calm your mind and body. The key to EFT lies in its use of meridian points. These are energy pathways in your body that, according to traditional Chinese medicine, influence your emotional and physical health. When these energy pathways become blocked, it can lead to emotional and physical discomfort. EFT helps restore the flow of energy by tapping on these points, releasing tension, and bringing your body back into balance. You simply tap on these points with your fingertips while focusing on the stressor or emotion you want to release. It might sound simple, but research shows that EFT can lower stress hormones, reduce anxiety, and even promote physical relaxation. But how does this work? Let's get into the science. When we experience stress, our body releases cortisol, the stress hormone, which triggers the fight-or-flight response. This is great if you're in danger, but when it's constantly activated, it can negatively impact your health, leading to fatigue, anxiety, and even chronic illnesses. What EFT does is activate your body's natural relaxation system by sending calming signals to your brain, which reduces cortisol levels. This shifts your body from that stress-driven fight-or-flight state into a state of calm and relaxation. And the best part? It works almost immediately. As you tap on the meridian points, you're helping to reprogram your body's response to stress. This process doesn't just reduce the symptoms of stress like tension or headaches, it helps reset the underlying emotional triggers. Over time, this leads to lasting relief and a greater sense of emotional balance. But EFT isn't just about relieving stress. It can also enhance your overall well-being. For one, it can reduce physical tension that stress creates in the body. Whether it's tight shoulders, a clenched jaw, or shallow breathing, EFT helps relax these areas and promotes overall physical healing. EFT is also known for its ability to improve sleep. When your body is less stressed, it's easier to wind down, relax, and enjoy a restful night of sleep. What I love about EFT is that it's incredibly easy to learn and do on your own. You can practice it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, at work, or even in a stressful situation, tapping can bring you back to a state of calm and clarity. So, how can you start using EFT for stress relief? It's as simple as following these steps. First, identify the emotion or thought that's causing you stress. Then, tap on the designated points on your face and body, while focusing on that stressor. You can even say affirmations or phrases that resonate with you, such as, "Even though I feel stressed, I deeply and completely accept myself." I recommend tapping for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and the more you practice, the more effective it becomes. You can tap multiple times a day, especially during high-stress moments. EFT has been a game changer for me, and I truly believe it can make a difference for you too. If you're ready to reduce stress, improve your emotional well-being, and bring more calm into your life, I encourage you to give EFT a try. For more resources on EFT and how to get started, visit my website at www.tapintouryourbestself.com. I've got free guides, tutorials, and even personal sessions available to help you tap into your best self. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I can't wait to see how EFT transforms your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stress relief tips and tools. Take care and remember, calmness is just a tap away.